since this is the third day now, we are struggling to get justice because one of our colleagues was severely assaulted by a police officer. In certain sections of the media is portrayed it that it's a fight between the advocates and the police. It's not so. We are fighting for justice here. He is a simple man, a gentleman, non-aggressive, subdued, cool bugger who has been brutally assaulted by aggressive cops. Don't please turn it into an advocate-police venture. It is not that way. It is not a fight it is not a fight advocates versus police. We are not in that battle over here. Secondly, very important, we want immediate arrest of the main culprit who struck the main blow on the head. Immediate arrest of that main culprit who struck the blow on the head. Police officers are trained officers. They very well know on which part of the body if you assault, you'll die. A person can die. So he knows head is vital part of the body. So with the knowledge and intent to kill our colleague Mr. Gajanan Sawant, the police officer hit the blow on his head. Secondly, very important, he is undergoing treatment. For 5 to 6 hours he was made to wait at the police station, not provided medical treatment. Why wasn't he referred for medicals? Immediately when he was brought at the police station, he was kept for 5 hours. Entire procedure, as mentioned in various judgments by the Supreme Court, are violated. Now, they have sent the FIR. I have heard maybe half an hour back, I have got news through someone that they have transferred the FIR already. The FIR has reached Crime Branch police station. In writing, they gave us that by noon they are going to send the FIR to Crime Branch police station. So we could not go there earlier. We had to wait till noon. When we went there at around 3:15, FIR had not reached there. So now there are various tricks being made, government, everybody, police department is trying to play various tricks to suppress our agitation and protect the accused. What is our demand? Our demand is simple. As of now, since the weapon is there involved, there's a weapon, hard, blunt object involved, wooden plank, to recover that his arrest is mandatory. If that wooden plank is not recovered, the entire case becomes weak. In court, he will be discharged if there is no weapon. So to recover that weapon, immediately he should be arrested, and police are purposely playing games and not arresting him. What is our demand? Who hit the blow? Blow was hit by that main accused. So arrest him first. Other accused we can see later on, but arrest that main Havaldar Parab. Why are they not arresting him? Why are they protecting him? Who is he? Why instead of giving justice, they are protecting him and trying to portray it as an advocate-police fight to dilute the issue. Please don't do that. He is in uniform, he is a criminal, so please arrest him. That is the only demand. Till they arrest him, this agitation would continue. That is the only demand. Thank you.
Already my colleagues have spoken about whatever has transpired in the last few days. It is a shame on the administration, on the police, and in general on the society, on all of us, when 200 people have to approach a police station, they be lawyers or otherwise, that 200 people have to approach the police station for registration of an FIR. And unless such extreme measures are taken by citizens, the police are not ready to register the FIR. The counter FIR which was registered against Advocate Sawant was on a complaint which was made by the constables. There are various judgments also to say that when there are counter complaints between two parties, that both the FIRs have to be registered. It is a shame yesterday to watch the PI and the DYSP there sitting with folded hands as if they do not know anything about how to execute whatever is the procedure that they are to follow. It required 200 people to come there, embarrass them, shout at them, call them names and demand that they do their job, which they are trained to do. The police doesn't come to court and tell us how to argue in the court. But yesterday the advocates had to go and tell the police how to follow their manual. This case is fit for even the High Court to take suo motu cognizance of. We request everybody, whoever is within the legal framework, to join us in this protest. Do not take this lightly. We are going to take it to its logical conclusion. All of us, whoever are supporting the advocate, and whatever inaction and illegalities which have been done by the police, will be supported throughout till the end, till this person has been brought to the book and its logical conclusion is done. But all the citizens of Goa should remember today that this could be your fate tomorrow at any other police station, where you go, file a complaint, and the PI and the constable brings the other party and threatens you to make a settlement, or assaults you and tries to make a settlement. This has to stop. The police's job is to investigate, to find out, register FIR, whether it's civil or not. There was no job of those 4 officers at the scene where the offence was committed. The PI of the Purvarim police station on camera yesterday has even admitted shamelessly that he was the person who directed them to go there to vacate the premises. When there is a court order in support, in favor of the person who is within the premise, neither the PI had the right to give any such direction, nor had the 4 constables, including the main accused, any right to be in the premises of where this incident has happened. So everybody join us in this protest until the people are booked and the demands are met. Otherwise, every time there is a complaint made by any of y'all against any atrocity which is happening within your locality, you will have to take the effort of gathering 200 people. Otherwise, there will be no FIR registered and no action will be taken by the police unless extreme measures come from our side. It is an unfortunate day that we have had to do that, and we hope that the police and the higher ups take this seriously and they do not let this process and the way that this entire incident has transpired in the last 48 hours to repeat again. And we all advocates want to send a strong message to the police that don't take this wing of the judicial officers lightly. You are one part, the judiciary is one part, and the advocates are the third part. We have to work together. But like how you have a lathi in your hand, we also have the books in our hand, and we will assert our authority where it is required. Thank you.
Advocate Shashank Narvekaran Samnate Varmane has given a call to the general public and civil society to join our struggle to get justice for our colleague. And because आयज ते का जाला फाल्यां कोणाकूय जावंक शकता हे, तेज्या खातीर हांव मागता आमचो कॉम्रेड नरेश शिगांवकार, who is the president of Center of Indian Trade Unions, ह्यो 2 उतरां शब्दां सांगपाक इन सॉलिडॅरिटी विथ अस.
सगळ्या पयलीं लॉयर्स तांचे युनियनाक पयलीं सद्याक सेंटर ऑफ इंडियन ट्रेड युनियन गोंय राज्य समितीचे वटल्यान आनी सगळ्या जमलेल्या सगळ्या वकील भाव भयणांक पयलीं सद्याक लालस. आमी अशी जायते फावटी म्हणटात की कायदो आनी सुवेवस्था पाळपा खातीर जी एक राज्यांत यंत्रणा आसा ती यंत्रणा जर अशी करपाक लागले जाल्यार मागीर वहींच जर शेत खाता अशातलो प्रकार आतां फाल्यां जाल्ल्या भशेन जाला. कायदो आनी सुवेवस्था राखपाचें सोडून जर एका वकील सारक्या एक विशिश्ट न्यायालयीन यंत्रणेंत दर्जा आशिल्ल्या मनशाचेर जर हो पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट जर सामको अशें तकलेचेर बी वार करता जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना की तो पुलिसेक लायक आसा म्हणून. तेन्ना गोंयची CITची राज्य समिती इंडियन लॉयर्स युनियनाक संपूर्ण रित्या पाठिंबा दिता. कारण आमकांय बी जायते जेन्ना आमी खिणाचे खणींनी काम करीत येयले आनी आमी जेन्ना भायर पडटा तेन्ना अशेंच आमचेर बी जायते फावटी अत्याचार जाता. आमी कायद्याचें राज्य मागता आनी आमचेर बेकायदेशीररित्या हल्लो जाता. तांकां सोडून आमकांच भितर ते घालता आनी आमकां त्या वेळाचेर तुमचे लॉयर्स भाव भयणांची बी आमकां जायते फावटी व्हडली मदत जाय पडटा. आनी तुमी तुमचे मदती आमकां जायते फावटी आमचे दक्षिण गोंयांत जेन्ना आमी सावर्डे कुडचडे किंवा केपें भागात जेन्ना आमी येता तेन्ना तुमचे लॉयर्स आमचे मदीं आसता. आमी परतून एकदां हेजी सामकी खर आनी खर चवकशी जावची, विलंब लायनासतना खर चवकशी जावची, जेणे कोणें हें कृत्य केलां हरशीं कोणें जो कोण परब नांवाचो जो कोण हवालदार आसा ताका तुरंत अरेस्टच न्ही, तो खरें म्हटल्यार सस्पेंड जावपा जायो. आनी त्या सस्पेंड जावपा खातीर तुमचे मागणेक आमी दोनूय बुटी कळून आमी एकवटान आमी रावया. आमी तुमी गोंयच्या लोकांक उलो मारले, आमी कामगारी तेंचे फाटल्यान आसा. इन्कलाब जिंदाबाद.
आमचो आतां प्रोटेस्ट हो आसा तो कंटिन्यू जातलो. आमी क्रायम ब्रांचच्या पुलीस स्टेशनार वतले, कित्याक आत्तां एफआयआर आयल्या, ताणें एफआयआर येवंक ना म्हणून आमकां परतिल्ले तो. सो आतां एफआयआर आयल्या, सो आमी ताका अरेस्ट कित्याक करिना आनी केन्ना करतले हें कन्फर्म करपाक आनी ताचे कडल्यान एश्युरन्स घेवन ताका अरेस्ट करचो आनी भितर उडोवचो कस्टडीन म्हणून डिमांड करपाक आमी आतां हो एजिटेशन घेवन क्रायम ब्रांचार वतले. सगळ्यांनी आमकां साथ दिवचो आनी मिडियाकूय थँक्यू म्हणटा, तुमी खूब सपोर्ट केला म्हणून, आनी असोच हेजे फुडें आमकां सपोर्ट करचो असो आशा धरता.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!